We've all been there, that moment of hesitation before tapping Show Balance on your banking app. Most people spend their lives playing defense with money, calculating if a latte will ruin their grocery budget, or if an unexpected flat tire means missing rent. We're told that wealth requires $1 million, but that's a lie that keeps people paralyzed. There is a much smaller, invisible threshold where the stress starts to melt away and the rules of the game actually flip in your favor. That number is $20,000. I'm Nick, and I'm obsessed with the mechanics of financial psychology. Today, I'm breaking down why this specific milestone is the crest of the hill for your wealth. If you're ready to stop pushing the boulder and start letting it roll, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Survival mode versus growth mindset. The biggest difference between having $0 and $20,000 isn't just the math, it's your brain chemistry. When you have no cushion, you are in survival mode. Every decision is filtered through fear. You stay in toxic jobs, accept low raises, and say yes to things you hate because you're one paycheck away from disaster. You literally cannot think about the future because your mental bandwidth is consumed by immediate threats. Research from Vanguard proves this. Even a tiny $2,000 buffer increases your perceived well-being by 21%. But when you hit $20,000, typically 3 to 6 months of living expenses, your brain finally switches from how do I survive to how do I grow. This is the moment you stop being reactive and start being proactive. The math of acceleration. Here is where the numbers get exciting. Let's say you save $1,000 a month with an 8% return. The first $20K takes about 19 months. It's a grind, it's sacrifice, it's boring. The second $20K takes only 17 months. Why? Because your first $20,000 is now a silent employee working 24/7, generating its own returns alongside your contributions. You're doing the same amount of work, but the timeline is shrinking. By the time you're at higher net worths, your money does the heavy lifting, while you just watch. The scale transforms small percentage wins into life-changing progress. The identity shift, becoming a wealth builder. Saving $20,000 proves something more valuable than the cash itself. It proves you have discipline. To hit this number, you had to track your spending, delay gratification, and resist the shiny object syndrome that keeps most people broke. You've essentially rewired your brain to be the master of your money, rather than its servant. This identity shift changes how you view emergencies. A broken laptop or a car repair is no longer a catastrophe. It's a minor inconvenience. This security allows you to spot opportunities like a business investment or a career-changing conference that you would have ignored when you were just trying to keep your head above water. Career leverage, the walking away factor. This is the secret weapon of the $20,000 milestone, negotiating power. When you're broke, your boss owns your time and your peace of mind. But with $20,000, you have walking away money. You could survive for months without that paycheck. You don't even have to quit to feel the benefit. Just knowing you can leave makes you more confident and assertive. You ask for the raises you deserve and push back on toxic demands. Ironically, this confidence often leads to better assignments and faster promotions, creating a feedback loop that builds your wealth even faster. The trap. Don't kill the seed. The biggest mistake people make is hitting $20,000 and treating it like a reward. They buy the new car or the luxury vacation. Don't do it. That money isn't a prize, it's the seed for your future freedom. Think of the opportunity cost. A $30,000 car isn't just $30,000 today, it's potentially $200,000 of lost growth over 20 years. Wealthy people drive the reliable used car and sleep soundly, while those looking rich are often one bad week away from total collapse. Conclusion: $20,000 won't make you a millionaire tomorrow, but it is the foundation that makes becoming one inevitable. Start building that hill today. Your future self is waiting.